What's going on, everyone? I hope that you are having a savvy day. I'm Claudia and you're watching Be Kitchen Savvy. Today, we are going to learn how to make a citrus fruit water refreshment. Who said that water had to be plain and boring? Make your water more tasty and fun to drink. In order to make this citrus fruit water refreshment, you will need 3 clementines, 2 small lemons, and 1 medium to large sized apple. The first thing that you'll want to do is make sure that you have a solid surface such as a cutting board to slice the fruits on, as well as a sharp knife to cut with. While you're cutting the fruits, be very careful and watch the way you hold the fruit so that your fingers are away from the angle of the knife. You'll want to cut small to medium-sized slices as you see in the video. As you see, I had to switch the knife that I was using because it wasn't sharp enough to cut through the lemon. Sometimes making those adjustments are necessary, so if you find that the knife you're working with does not puncture well, be sure to change it out because sometimes that can cause an accident and a cut to your fingers. Now we've finished slicing the fruit and we can proceed to make our water. You will need a large glass or plastic pitcher to add the fruit to as well as the water to complete this recipe. Once you have the pitcher, you can proceed to add in your sliced fruits. I like to add the fruits in an alternating order so that I can assure the flavors will be evenly distributed within the water. So here it is, citrus fruit water refreshment. I really hope that you've enjoyed this video, and as always, please like this video below, share this video with friends and family, and don't forget, if you haven't yet, please subscribe to our channel by clicking the Be Kitchen Savvy icon below in the right bottom corner of this video. Also, go and see what other people are saying about this post on our Instagram at BeKitchenSavvy, #BeKitchenSavvy. See you in the next video.